The best nest bedding coupon code. If you're looking to get your hands on a nest bedding coupon code, you've come to the right place. Don't waste your hard-earned money by paying full price, because I'm about to tell you exactly what to do to save a lot of money off your purchase. But before I show you how to save a nice chunk of change, and go over some very important information such as warranty. If you just came to get a discount, I get it. I'm not going to be offended if you don't watch this full video. I'll put the discount link in the description below. This way, when you click the link below for the nest bedding mattress of your choice, the coupon will automatically be applied, which will save you money instantly. Again, click the link below this video to activate your special discount. But for those of you who want to stick around, let's get started. Now, all of the nest bedding mattresses come with a lifetime warranty to cover you. Also, the Puffy mattress comes with a 100-night sleep trial, so you do not need to worry at all. So if you've been considering one of the nest bedding mattresses, you can order worry-free. Click the link below for more details now. But in general, I think a lot of people overlook how they can save money, which is what inspired me to create this video for you. Nothing is more important than a good night's sleep. And most important of all, nothing is more important than your health and well-being. But to be honest, this coupon deal probably won't be around forever, so I suggest you jump on it right now before they discontinue it. Go to the description below this video, and click the top link to automatically apply the coupon code. Anyway, thanks for watching our video. Cheers to a good night's sleep.